Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here again to go through some of the videos that are very important that we may say something about it. There's a video that I made yesterday, okay, and that video is all about Nigerian army claiming that they boss a one location that belonged to Commander Gento, according to them. So, and that information has not been verified, but it doesn't really matter. But I got a comment on that video saying that I should not talk about this. A kind of that I'm reporting something that we're not supposed to talk about. Then other people don't care much about that. They only told me that that it's good for me to share the video. Why I'm saying that is because that video has something to do with this very video. The rumor was that two men were fired, and I have seen the video of those people. So why I said it's a rumor is because I was not there. Okay, but I went to Iken Gurago's S handle, and I saw a video of two people being fired, and he was mocking them that they die for something that is not in existence. That is, Biafra is not existent. Then it's not. This is not the first time that he made some comment that is questionable. But I'm not here for that. Now, the issue about what happened to those Biafrans is what this guy took his time to explain. So he explained the whole thing, and I would like to share it with you. But before then, please do me a favor by clicking on the like button, like the video, and subscribe if you are new. Share the video, of course, and tell us what you think about what the video is all about, because the impunity that is going on against our people is second to none. When you talk, they say that you are trying to play victim and you are crying victim and all that nonsense. But my happiness is that most of them claiming that Igbos are crying, claiming victim or crying victim, according to what some of them have said. They themselves are not going through similar thing, of course, and they are looking for help. I don't want to antagonize any nation, but if you have seen such comment or such video or such utterances, what I'm saying, it will not be strange to you, because it's something that many Biafrans are used to already. So, without wasting much of your time, let's go to the video so that you understand what the video is all about. Because a lot is going on, to be honest with you. A lot is going on, and it must be addressed. Very, 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 very important.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to all of you, pending your time zone this very wonderful second day of December 2024. My brothers and sisters, I came with a very sad news about what the Nigerian government did in Abia State today. Abia State is a very peace and loving state governed by Governor Alex Oti, who is doing a very wonderful job in Abia State. I'm not against this governor, but something terrible happened today there. Abia State, the Nigerian forces, the military, went to Abia State this morning in search of the unknown gunmen, as they claimed. Getting there, they met two young, able men going out for work. This 2nd of December 2024, and they arrested these guys, took them around the forest and checked everywhere. They didn't see these unknown gunmen, and they brought these guys out and they shot them to death and set them ablaze. This matter is what they sent to us this very morning, and this thing has been trending, and I've been expecting the Nigerian government to talk about it. I've been expecting Musa to talk about it, the one who called Biafrans a terrorist, Musa that called Biafrans a terrorist. I've been expecting him to speak about it, but everywhere is quiet. I cannot post the video here because TikTok will block my video. They will block my platform. So I don't want to post it here. I'm so bitter today. Now, Musa, you are going to look for those boys and bring them to book because you called us a terrorist. We have asked you people to leave our land, you refuse to leave our land. So therefore, the world should know this, that this is when we start our delegitimization of Nigerian government in uniform in Biafra land. They should not. The world should not blame us. Musa should get these men that killed these individuals and bring them to book. We need to see them because this evil is getting out of hand. And we are saying this to the Nigerian government. Musa himself should come out and identify those boys. If not, no Nigerian soldier anywhere in Biafra land shall breathe. If not, no Nigerian soldiers anywhere in the whole of Biafra land shall breathe. We do not want to see any Nigerian soldier anywhere starting from this night. If not, all of you will completely go down. I'm telling you, all of you will completely go down. You cannot come and kill us and call us terrorists. We are not terrorists. We are not terrorists. We are legitimate people. We are fighting for an independent state of Biafra, which we have gotten. So any Nigerian soldier on the soil of Biafra today, being the second day of December 2024, is a terrorist. We will treat you as such because you cannot come and kill our family members. These innocent people that you killed today, their blood is on your hands, Musa. And if you don't come to bring them out, Musa, anything, anywhere we see your soldiers in our land, anywhere, mark my words today, Musa. You killed our people, you dismembered them, you burnt them. If you know how angry we are, Musa, you will look for those boys and bring them to book. If not, the days are counting down for you. You came to Abia State to kill our people, and you think we'll keep quiet? You killed a Biafran, and you think we're going to keep quiet? We're giving you this week. If you don't produce them, then the world is going to hear this, and they will hear this, because this is getting out of hand. I may be able to post this video, I may not be able to post it, but if I post it, this platform will block me. So Musa, we are giving you 48 hours to produce your men that killed these individuals and light them up. If not, we will fight you ruthlessly. We will fight you ruthlessly. And as from today, we will continue to delegitimize Nigerian government on uniform in our land. Thank you. Biafra has come, and Biafra is come to stay forever. It will never go down again. Thank you.
Okay, you have heard it all. I am laughing because I have gone past this kind of speech that this our brother he made here. Why? Because this is what people are used to. I'm used to see this kind of videos of people being sent to judgment by fire by force. I am not angry to Musa. I'm not angry to Nigerian army. My anger lies on the people who claim they are Igbos, brothers. They are the one facilitating this nonsense. You see, when somebody that is not from your tribe have something to do, like have what it takes, and in the sense that your people who are supposed to protect their own are the one opening the doors and gate for them to come and buy. Why would I blame Musa when people like Emeka Gift and who claim that he's fighting for freedom, and the other one that said he's a citizen observer? Some people say that the same person is the Emeka Gift, and the guy from the guy in South Africa, what's his name, Ikenga, are posting the video with catchphrase like blaming the death that they deserve to buy because there's criminal in the land and all that. Even the videos of the bomb that the Air Force threw in different land, he posted it, and he said that I don't want to make this video to look like picking any individual, but if you know, you know. This is not this. It's not something that just started yesterday. It has been there. But anybody who has no graduated all about it, yeah. Maybe this our brother is now. Maybe it happened to his presence. Maybe he decided to start connecting the dots, or maybe when the spirit of Biafra decides to penetrate through him to voice out to condemn the evil. I am not going to buy the idea of pretending that this is just they just started it now and this. No, 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 no. It has been lingered for a long time, and people need to call a spade a spade. Many people that in US today, their job, their primary duty now is to say their brother, just to make sure that since you do not allow me to lead and control the fundraising, I will make sure that I destroy everything you are doing. The same thing that they are now pushing to start doing in Biafran government in Eza. DOS have been doing it for ages, and nobody questioned them. And I don't want to, sound as if I'm calling for violence. I don't support violence or killing of anybody. But what I'm trying to say is that the people that claim they are shared the same thing with you, they have everything in common with you, they are facilitating this kind of killing, and it is very, very wrong. Very, very wrong. Anyway, I have to, thank this our brother here for the courage of making this video boldly to condemn the evil, because no matter be given you can machari. Some people don't have heart. You don't have conscience. As long as it has to do with other people, no problem. I don't need to wait for it until it happened to my relatives before I can answer, oh, it happened to me. Seeing people being quiet in Imo, in Abia, in Enugu, in Ebonyi, in other places in Nigeria, when I see them, when the vulnerable people, innocent people being quiet for nothing, I feel so bad. It breaks my heart. Anyway, my people, tell me what you think about the whole thing, because this kind of thing is shocking. It's shocking. So thank God that it's coming from him. No, this is not Samonekwa, because Samonekwa this, Samonekwa that. And mind you, this killing took place after the push PM out of the way. But PM will come back strong and healthy. Nothing's going to happen to him. That's just a fact. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time. Like I said, and God bless you. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye for now.